I'm going to show you this great bidet. So the bidet package comes along with installation instructions, a braided metal hose. We also have the Teflon tape and the ultra slim bidet attachment. It also comes along with a rubber washer and a T that we have already added the Teflon tape to. So with the installation process, you're going to want to turn off your water, flush your toilet, and let the water drain. And then take off the toilet seat. The installation process for this product was very quick and easy, and the actual thickness of the bidet is only 5 millimeters, so it's perfect to fit any toilet. So the bidet has 3 different buttons and also an off button. That's the female part, a self-cleaning, and also a posterior button. The dial allows you to change the water pressure, and then there's 2 valves for water output. So my husband and I have both used the bidet, and we would highly recommend it to friends, family, or just anyone. I actually called my mom as soon as we got done using it and told her, hey, go purchase. So it was definitely a great product.